Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin from Asigad Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang ibig sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is some weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8, 2023 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit kayo dahil ito namin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ako ng isang pasabog at bulabog na mensahe para sa ating mga kapatid na Scorpio for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8, 2023. Sige, let's see what is the messages for you ng ating spirit guides. Angel Spirit, there's a two of wands. There's a two choices, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan mong pagdesisyonan dito at pagpilian kung saang way or journey ka dadaan or tatahakin, no? Or something. There's a 7 of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. Maraming oportunidad, maraming papasok na eksena dito. And of course, there's a 5 of Pentacles. Mag-ingat about sa finances, no? There's a losses or financial loss or some of you magkakaroon ng delays or pagbagal na pasok ng pera. Or, there's an Empress card, there's a revert. No? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng panibagong negosyo o hanap buhay. Kumbaga maging aware ka, di ba? What is additional messages? And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in for you. May malaking pera na darating na mahahawakan mo talaga. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is the lover. Some of you baka may kaugnayan to sa love life mo. Na kumbaga, together with your love life partner, diba? At the same time, there's a page of wands, queen of wands, there's a control and confident. Na kumbaga, confident kayo talaga ng person mo na mapagtatagumpayan nyo ang talagang klase ng buhay na gusto nyo dalawa. Tagar-taray! So, what is the two of wands? There's a 3 of cups. There's a celebration coming in for you. Kumbaga, there's a choices na kailangan mong pagpilian. Kung saan ba to? Baka mamimili ka kung saan ka bansa o saan ka lugar pupunta or saan ka bibili ng bahay. Ganon. Eme. So, and of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new love life coming in for you or new romance, no? Bago magpapakilig at magpapadibok ng puso mo. Ganon. So, what is the 5 of Pentacles? What is the 5 of Pentacles? There's the judgment. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a wake-up call or red flag. No? May paalala sa'yo about sa finances na hinay-hinay sa paggastos. What is the Empress card? Because Empress card represent a 9 of Pentacles, the Temperance. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a blossoming abundance with the perfect timing. Kumbaga bigla ang pagbabago to na magpapagulantang ng buhay mo with the Empress card. Kumbaga, ito yung kumbaga revert, no? Kumbaga mabubuhay ulit yung katawan lupa mo dito. Ito yung magsisilbing kagandahan o kagwapuhan mo. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng retreat or refresh. Ganon. Because there's a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, alisin mo lang daw yung takot at pangamba mo, no? There's an anxiety or deception dito. Yun ang iniisip mo kasi eh. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, na-surrender mo kay God sa mga bagay na nangyayari na there's a perfect timing coming in. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles? Okay, there's a 3 of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin ito, collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. With the 9 of Wands, there's a final push, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan mo lang gawin at isa katuparan, no? So, what is the Lovers? And of course, the Queen of Wands. There's a 2 of Swords and the 2 of Pentacles. There's a decision, kailangan balance, no? Kailangan balance itong decision na to. at kailangan, kumbaga, mayroon kayong kaugnayan with your love life partner or husband, kumbaga, may pabor siya or meron siyang kumbaga, may consult sa kanya, no? Kumbaga, may agreement kayong dalawa. Kumbaga may ganon. Mayroon kayong collaboration or teamwork, no? So, what is the Two of Wands and the Three of Cups? And because there's a Page of Cups, listen to your intuition and gut feeling. Na makikinig ka palagi sa iyong intuitions or your intuition or gut feeling instinct, ganon. So, what is the Seven of Cups? And of course, the Ace of Cups. There's a new beginning with the Page of Wands. There's a good news. May magandang balita dito pagdating sa maraming oportunidad. No? Kumbaga, there's a romance. Hindi kasi porket romance is a love life. Kumbaga, there's a romance for partnership together with your negosyo or hanap buhay, no? Kumbaga, mayroon kayong kaugnay or heart-to-heart talk or something, diba? So, there's a Five of Pentacles and the Judgment. Kumbaga, there's a caring connection dito. And because there's a the word card, there's a trouble, there's an information na magdadala sa success, no? Kumbaga, some of you baka may inaantay kayong, kumbaga nauubos na yung pera mo, hindi ka pa makaalis-alis, diba? Parang gusto mo mag-ibang bansa, pero hindi ka pa makaalis. This is your moment, waiting ka lang, kasi paalis ka na talaga. So, what is the Empress card? And of course, the Nine of Pentacles, the Temperance, and of course, the Knight of Swords. There's a Nine of Pentacles. Okay, there's a secure about sa finances. Okay, maging practical ka lang daw about sa finances, ha? Yun nga yung sinasabi dito, maging practical. And because alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, maging logic ka sa lahat ng bagay. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and of course, the Knight of Wands. And of course, there's a Chariot. Maraming parating, kumalma ka. Hindi pa yan yung tamang eksena. Kumbaga, yung na yan, yung dumating sa'yo na opportunities, pa lang yan, patikim pa lang yan. Hindi pa yan, wala ka pa doon sa exciting part. So, what is the Lovers, the Queen of Wands, the Two of Swords, and of course, the Two of Pentacles? There's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication or fast movement, no? Magiging mabilis lang. There's an email, messages na magdadala sa'yo ng balance. And of course, magdadala sa'yo ng stability. So guys, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. No? Kumbaga, you are on the spotlight. And of course, the Five of Cups. No regrets, no doubt. Kung baga sinasabi sa inyo, wala kang pangiginayangan. Lahat kain lahat. Ganon. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's the Hangman. So, ibig sabihin, there's a delays or there's information na kailangan mo baguhin for perspective or yung there's a working on it, just waiting for a result. Ganon. At the same time, there's a Ten of Wands. Kumbaga, marami ka mang pinagdaan ng burden o bigat ng nararamdaman o bigat naman pinagdaanan mo, the wheel of fortune is turning into favor, diba? Kumbaga, umikot na yung kapalaran, there's a destiny to happen. Kumbaga, may mga nararamdaman ka, nararanasan ka, kasi it's a part of your journey talaga, yung maranasan na yan, diba? Kumbaga, ngayon, kumbaga, may mga pagbabago, may mga back and forth eksena. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, at the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng straightforward going to success. Kaya kumalma ka. Wala ka pa sa exciting part. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Ano ko sinasabi ni Archangel Michael, new beginning and fresh start is coming, no? Kumbaga parating na ang maganda at panimulang pagbabago ng buhay mo. So, wala ka pa talaga sa eksena yan. May mga patikim, pero kumbaga, wala pa yan yung, kumbaga, final eksena. And of course, there is a pay attention to your dreams. Kailangan mong tumutok sa pangarap mo. Doon ka lagi sa, kumbaga, yung makakabuti sa'yo, tingnan mo yung bigger picture of yourself. Kailangan ganun ka, dapat ganun yung pananaw at ganun dapat mag-isip, no? What is the Love Oracle card? Love Oracle card, there's an engagement ring and there's a coffin. So, ibig sabihin, there's a transition by coffin, there's an ending and a new beginning is coming and growth and change, no? May pagbabago na hindi mo ine-expect, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, may mga darating na mga pagbabago or kaganapan sa buhay mo na hindi mo inaasahan with the engagement ring. There's a union or engagement or there's a partnership for a lifetime. Kumapit ka, hindi lang sa career, pati sa love life, panalo ka. So, what is a yin and yang oracle card? What is a yin and yang oracle card? At the same time, there's a decision. Yun nga, di ba? Kailangan mo mag-desisyon. Di ba? Kung anong way or anong pintuan yung tatahakin mo dito. Kaya, choose wisely. And of course, there is a contract, career commitment. See, there is a contract by career and commitment. So, talagang talagang love and career yung meron dito sa eksena na to. Until death tears up apart. So, talagang pang matagalan to, or there's a soul contracts. And of course, there's a regret. No? Kung may mga bagay or panghihinayang or there's a disappointment na kaganapan sa buhay mo, kung maghahayaan mo lang, kung baga malilip up mo yan, may mga ganyan talaga nangyayari sa buhay natin. Minsan, talagang there's a regret, talagang nararanasan, gano'n talaga ang buhay. So, what is Archangel Raphael? Avoid allergen. So, ibig sabihin, iwasan mo yung hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Iwasan mo yung nakakasama sa'yo, like, beverage, kumbaga kumain ka rin ng mga foods and beverages, kumbaga yung makakatulong sa'yo, no? Para, kumbaga, siguro kinukulang ka sa fiber or vitamin C or vitamin B, ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-take ng mga vitamins at iwasan mo yung mga nakakasama sa'yo, like allergy, no? What is additional messages? And of course, there's an author. You have book inside that wishes to be expressed, make the next time to write it. See? Kumbaga, ikaw yung magbibigay ng kulay sa mundong gusto mong, sa ginagalawan mo. Kumbaga, ito yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga wishes mo. Kumbaga, maaari mo may sa katuparan yan. Pero kailangan mo magkaroon ng wish list, no? Kumbaga, goals, yung mga gusto mong gawin na kailangan mo unti-unting isa katuparan, no? Maging author ka ng buhay mo. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a dress rehearsal. There's an alternative course or choices. No, ibig sabihin dito, may mga pagpipilian kang gustong gawin sa buhay mo. Ganon. And of course, there's a green by love. Wow. There's a love involvement, no? And of course, there's a boundaries. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries at the same time, diba? Para magkaroon ka ng strongest bond. And of course, there's a new waxing moon by inner self. Expansion, no? Kumbaga, discovery sa sarili mo, self-inventories. Kumbaga, kailangan mo magkaroon ng, kumbaga, yung self-love at the same time, diba? Hindi puro na lang ibang tao. Kasi, ang Scorpio kasi, talagang mapagmahal yan. Talagang kaya niya magsakripisyo, alang-alang sa mga taong mahal niya sa buhay. Kung kaya niyang, i-offer lahat, i-offer niya. So, what is additional messages? There's a balance. So, kailangan maging balance ka. No? And of course, there's a regret. May regret dito. No? Pero hindi mo na mababalikan yan. At hindi mo na may babalik yung mga bagay na nasira at nawala. Diba? Ganon talaga. Lalo-lalo na Scorpio, pag nagtiwala ka dyan at talaga nasira mo yung tiwala, hindi mo na mababalik yan. May tamang hinala na yan. May trust issue na yan. So, what is the Moonology? What is the Moonology? Adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust, no? At the same time, you and your loved ones are safe, no? Pagdating naman sa love life mo naman and loved ones mo are safe naman daw. And believe in the past, in the impossible. So, maniwala ka daw sa mga imposible ay posible. And of course, your commitment is being tested. Pagdating sa relationship, talagang subok daw ang inyong relasyon. So, what is additional messages for this energy? Okay. There is a temple path, discoveries, no? Marami ka pang madidiscover sa buhay mo at sa inyong relasyon at sa iyong career. And, first chakra, Archangel Michael, for protection. So, ibig sabihin, nandito sa Archangel Michael, para proteksyonan ka at yung iyong relasyon, ang iyong pamilya at ang iyong finances. So, what is chakra messages? What is the chakra messages? Angel Spirit Guide. There's a discoveries, no? Marami ka ba talagang madidiscover dito? In all kinds, in all aspect. And there's a soulmate connection, no? Kaya pala, there's a soulmate connection dito. What is the Jesus loving quotes? So, ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ni Jesus? Okay. You are the light of the world. Ikaw ang magsisilbing liwanag ng mundong ginagalawan mo or mga taong nasa paligid mo, 'di ba? Kung wala ikaw, hindi nila makikita kung ano man ang ginagalawan nila. So ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag. So what is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? Messages of life is a searching within. So let's see, guys. Meron pa pala tayong angel's number. Tingnan muna natin yung angel's number. Okay, there's, wow! 11 is a twin flame energy. Kumaga, there's an awakening ko na, oh my goodness. So let's see with the 11. The universe is arranging people and experiences on your path to help you succeed and helping you wake up to who you truly are. See? Kumaga, ito yung ginigising ka. Yung mga kung saan ka talaga ilalagay ni God, parang may ganong slot ka dito, no? Or ganong stages ka na, kumbaga ginigising ka niya para, kumbaga, yun time mo na mapunta ka na dun sa way na, or sa standard, or sa ganong level na yon, no? Kailangan mo nang gumising sa katotohanan na hindi ay, ikaw Scorpio, hindi ka nararapat dyan sa eksena na yan. Kailangan mong umangat at bumangon. Ikaw kasi ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag sa lahat. No? And of course, searching within, what I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer conditions and searching within of the source of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides my best answer, my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. So, ito yung transformation na nangyari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, dati sa walang-wala ka, so unting-unting bumangon. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon lang ng back and forth kasi mali ka lang na strategy or mali ka lang ng ways. No? So, need to do something or baguhin mo yung sistema or baguhin mo yung strategiya mo para yung abundance ay tuloy-tuloy na para sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, transformation lies ahead. Ibig sabihin, galingan mo lang at ang gagalingan din nila. Charis! So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8, 2023 for the sign of Scorpio. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. And of course guys, don't forget to comment down below your full name and birthday and of course location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye bye and babush!